Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
What's up guys, it's your boy Young JT on this video, and today I'm making a video to show you guys how to get NVIDIA GeForce Now for free. So the first question is, what is NVIDIA GeForce Now? NVIDIA GeForce Now is an application that allows you to gain access to a computer, like outside your own computer. Like you access a computer on NVIDIA GeForce Now database, and it gives you a very good computer that can run all your games at high FPS without lag. You know what I'm talking about. Like it runs your game perfectly, smoothly. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys what NVIDIA GeForce Now looks like. This is the basic look of NVIDIA GeForce Now. I have like a lot of games. I would say thousands of games on it that you can play on NVIDIA GeForce Now. So any game that wants you or that warrants you to play, like to pay for the game before playing it, you have to pay for it. Like for example, Rainbow Six Siege, you have to pay for the game before playing it. But Fortnite is a free battle royale game that you can play. I actually play Fortnite on NVIDIA GeForce Now every single time because I run Fortnite on 200 FPS every single time, which my laptop is not really capable of running. My laptop runs Fortnite on like 40-50 FPS, which isn't that good to me. So in order for you guys to get NVIDIA GeForce Now just the way I got it, I'm gonna show you guys how to get it on this video. So the first thing I did was I went on Google, then I clicked on NVIDIA. I searched for NVIDIA GeForce Now. Then you click on the first one. Then it brings you to this page that says request beta access. Then you click on the first one. Then it's gonna bring you to this page. Just because I have an account on GeForce Now, so it's saying I just have to fill in this form. But you as a normal person who doesn't have an account with GeForce Now, what you have to do is to create an account. You're gonna have to create a GeForce account. But if you have one, it's gonna ask you to like go through the same process. So you type in your name, then your age, then you submit. So based on the fact that I have an account on GeForce Now already, it's saying duplicate submission, which I don't want to do. So I'm just gonna click close, then that's it. So after a while, like after submitting that request, this is the mail you're gonna get saying GeForce Now waitlist has been confirmed. So this is what the mail is gonna look like when you submit your when you sign up on GeForce Now. Then after a while, I won't lie to you, I got my GeForce Now activation code in like 2 weeks, which is I think now it takes like 1 month or 2 months before you get your activation code. But trust me, the wait is worth it. Like when you wait so much for it, it's actually worth it. So this is the mail you get when you have the final activation code, which says you are in GeForce Now beta. So when you get this, you activate your account, then it brings you here to redeem your code, and you type in the code and click on redeem. Then you're gonna have your account activated. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the thumbs like button and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please share and hit the thumbs like button. I really appreciate it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.
I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free. I'm the architect.